Hi, my name is Aashna Nayak. I'm a 5th grader and I go to Pond Road Middle School. My activity for this contest is called Guess That Number. It's a guessing game where you have to guess a number from 1 to 100. In my game, you're allowed to pick how many guesses you want. The computer will tell you if you want to guess higher, bigger, or if you got it right. Over here is my code. It's a very simple and short code. Here is where it presents. This is where it asks me how many guesses I want. I'm going to say 20. Then it asks me to enter a number from 1 to 100. I'm going to do 50. Then it says enter a smaller number, so I'm going to do 25. Then it says enter a bigger number, so I'm going to enter 40. It says enter a smaller number, so I'm going to do like 30. It says bigger, so 35. Bigger, so 38. Now it says enter a smaller number, so I'm going to do 37. Because I got it right, it tells me I'm the winner. It also tells me that the number to guess was actually 37. It asks me if I wish to play again, and I'm going to say no. I did this activity because I wanted to do something simple yet fun. This activity was really simple, and it's a really fun game. Most of the games I play that are like this are really boring, and they're really complicated. So I wanted to make something really nice out of it. Thank you for listening, and I really hope you choose my project for this contest. Bye!